Do you struggle with keeping clients long-term? Did you know that the industry average client only lasts about 6 visits in the salon? Why are we keeping only about 10% of our clients after 6 visits? Well, for one, everyone loves the shiny new toy. When you get a new client in the salon, you cater to them, you do all these special things for them, and then by the second, third visit, it starts to die out a little bit. Now you're making them wait, you're canceling on them, you're doing all these things that do not help build your relationship. I would say clients that have stayed with you for 6 visits or more, you should be catering the most to them. They're the ones that are the most consistent in your book. They're the ones that have the best relationship with you. You want to model every relationship you have with your clients based on those people. So next time you think, oh, Sally's coming in again, think differently. Think that is the best relationship that you have in the salon. They're the most loyal client that you have. Celebrate that client, change your mindset, and you will up that percentage to make sure that you are getting more clients in after 6 visits and building a stronger clientele. For more tips just like this, check out our new FSE AI app at fseai.app.